A motor grader is one of the most versatile machines on a contractor's job site. Motor graders are uniquely designed to process material effectively and do precise work at higher speeds. Graders are also highly maneuverable, both while at work and when moving from place to place on a job site. Motor graders can roll and mix materials to get proper, consistent moisture. The blade action also effectively breaks down dirt clods for better compaction.
The advantage using a motor grader would be processing materials. If they hold you to a really strict moisture content, you have to be able to roll that material to mix it and keep the gradations consistent, and you could do that with a motor grader.
With the blade, it's easy. You have the water truck wet it in front of you, roll some material over, put it in a big windrow, and then just peel it out a little at a time into another windrow after they wet it, and it processes really nicely.
When it comes to grading, a motor grader does it all, from start to finish. A motor grader has the power and weight to handle rough grading behind trucks and scrapers. The same machine is also ideal for finish grading. Motor graders give you the ability to finish with tight tolerances and precision to work around tight spaces, like curbs and manholes.
We're doing a lot of airport aprons, finishing infields so they can pave them for dust control. I'll be running chasing scrapers, doing haul roads, wiping stuff down, roughing stuff in. Then later I'll be finishing subgrade for the road, and after that I'll be finishing the AB.
For added versatility, all-wheel drive machines give you additional traction to work on slopes and in soft underfoot conditions. And a movable link bar allows you to grade on extreme slopes more easily and safely.
In today's time, competition, I guess, is the most challenging thing. We have to bring more to the table than anybody else to get the job. Staying current with the equipment is really important. If we can provide the latest technology, then we're more likely to get that job.
Motor graders can also be equipped with technologies like cross slope, sonic, laser, GPS, and ATS control systems. These systems help you get to grade accurately and in fewer passes to save time, fuel, and materials.
We started out with just a bare grader. We moved into a 2D machine control system, and then a few years later we moved into the 3D machine control, and that was with the robotics system, and then later we moved into the GPS. We'll use robotic on runways and things that have to have real tight tolerances. On the jobs where the tolerances are a tenth or so, we'll run the GPS. The machine control, I think, is one of the main things that's kept us going through this recession. Having the machine control, it has been the thing that has gave us the competitive edge for sure.
The rubber tires on a motor grader give you the ability to move on all surfaces at the job site. And with travel speeds up to 30 miles per hour, roading from place to place is efficient too. Motor graders offer easy transport, usually without special permits for width or weight.
You can actually drive it on the street without tearing it up, articulating around corners, not tearing your grade up when you're going around a corner. The mobilization of it is very easy. You drive it down the street.
A motor grader gives you the performance, versatility, and mobility you need. Graders are precisely the right choice for today's successful contractor.